Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here from VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Eye, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today I'm going to talk to you about something you might not have thought about before, and that is why you should put your face in your Etsy shop. As small, even micro business owners, we have an edge that big corporations don't have, and that is we are a person with a personality, with a face, with feelings, and we can use that to our advantage and should be using that to our advantage in our businesses. Let me ask you, have you ever had an experience where you made an assumption about someone before you met them, just based on something that you thought was going on, you perceived, or you saw them write and maybe didn't understand, anything like that? And then you later met them and you got to know them a little bit and you said to yourself, this person is not who I thought they were. They're actually not bad at all. It's because as humans, we like to connect. We feel more at ease when we can connect with somebody, and we perceive things differently when we are able to connect with someone. And when you are the small business owner of your own Etsy shop and you are able to make those connections, you are much less likely to have upset customers, bad reviews, and you are much more likely to build relationships with customers who, either buy more from you or they come back, and not in a sleazy way, but in a natural, authentic way. So every little thing that you can do to bring your personality and the fact that you're an actual person into your business and into your brand is going to help you as that small business. And it's something that large corporations can't really do, or they have a very tough time doing it. And it's precisely why they bring in, personalities to enhance their brand, because they're counting on other people to be that face of their brand. But you are the face of your brand, and regardless of, what you think about your face, a smile is all you need to get that personal connection at that level. So if you haven't added your beautiful face to your Etsy shop yet, try it out. Take a picture, have someone else take a picture of you. A selfie will do, as long as it's a clear selfie with a smile on it. You want to, of course, come across in a positive way. And then post it up on your Etsy shop and make those connections and have fun doing it. It will definitely go a long way towards building your success in your business and in your brand. If you would like to sign up to get my secret tips and resources just for you as my YouTube listener, you can go to VintagepreneurUniversity.com/secret, and I'll link to that below in the notes for you as well. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell as well so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!